Hello friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to set notification sound on Tecno mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting, then from here you can scroll down to sound and vibration option. Here it is, so click on it. After you have been click on it, again you have to scroll down to here is the notification sound. Click on notification sound. After you have been click on it, see here you are able to see many tones. Okay, so if you want to set from here, if you want to play it, you can play it by just click on it and it will be play by itself. And if you want to set it, you just click twice. Okay, it means double. Okay, you have to click double, then this ringtone will be applied successfully on your mobile phone. If it is to set by single tap also, it's okay, no need to click double. But if you has been clicked single but it doesn't set, then you just click twice. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.